Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Dreams Unexplored. Today I am going to discuss and provide you some information regarding the current ongoing projects of the Indian Railways. Indian Railways completes the caving work for the world's first electrified double stack container tunnel on the Aravallis. In a breakthrough for the Indian Railways, a 1 kilometer tunnel has been cut and completed on the Aravallis of the Western Railway dedicated freight corridor to provide the electrical goods train with double stack container tunnel within the next 12 months. The project is going to be completed around the 12 months or so according to the railway officials. The basically ये जो डेडिकेटेड फ्राइट कॉरिडोर है ये इस प्रोजेक्ट का इंचार्ज है और इसको ये काम सौंपा गया है कि अगले 12 मंथ्स में ये काम कंप्लीट करने के लिए. तो डेडिकेटेड फ्राइट कॉरिडोर इज़ ए पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवे रन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू deal with the planning, development, mobilization of financial resources, construction, maintenance as well as the operation of the dedicated freight corridor. So the dedicated freight corridor of India Limited or the DFCCIL was established in 2006 under the Companies Act of 1956. So engineers of the DFCCIL had to blast through 2500 to 500 million years old Proterozoic rock to build the tunnel for the world's first electrified double stack container tunnel. Once operational, the double stack container goods will run through this tunnel with a minimum speed of 100 km per hour. It will connect Mewat and the Gurgaon district of Haryana and negotiates a steep gradient on the uphill and downhill of the Aravallis. The last blast of this tunnel was in Rewari Dadri section and was done almost, and the work has been completed in a less than year of time according to the railway spokesperson. Basically the tunnel is a D-shaped tunnel with a cross-sectional area of about 150 square meter, which is to accommodate the double line with higher overhead equipment to enable the double stack container movement on this freight corridor. So the cross-sectional area wise, it is one of the biggest tunnel in India, and one end of the tunnel is in Rewari and the other end of the tunnel is in Dadri, that is in Uttar Pradesh. So the dimension of the tunnel is about 14.5 meter in width and 10.5 meter in height in the straight portion, and in the curved portion the height is about 12.5 meter and the width is about 15 meter, so that to provide extra clearance while negotiating the curve. And the height of the electric pole on this double stack container line on this tunnel will be 7.45 meter, so that the container will not get touch with the overhead equipments, that is the electrical wires. So these are the basic information that has been provided by the railways, and the work is being completed as early as possible, and by completing this work railway will create a history all over the world and make India to a prestigious position in the world. And as an Indian citizen, I am proud to provide you the information of the world's first double stack container tunnel which will be fully electrified. So for now this much, and I will provide you other information of the upcoming projects of the Indian Railways in the next video. So for now, thank you.